Jumped in my car, motherfucker. I'm doing great. Is this Soviet Russia?
Yeah, if you wanted to.
Why are you saying? Is this Nazi Germany?
We're a lot meaner than that.
I was trying to figure out why I'm in America and I'm being asked for my papers like this is like a communist country or Soviet Russia.
Are you a citizen or no?
Do you have any reason to believe I'm not a U.S. citizen?
Well, I'm about to ruin your day a little bit more soon and put you over there. So I'm ordering you to go park your vehicle over there.
Is that a lawful order, sir?
It's a lawful order.
Are you a peace officer in the state of California, sir? Are you a peace officer in the state of California?
Am I a peace officer?
Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. I thought this is fucking America. I thought this is America.
I'm ordering you to go park your car over there, sir, because the canine alerted to your vehicle. This has
Canine
nothing to
alerted
do
my
with
vehicle.
immigration.
Okay.
Pull your car over there now!
All right, get the fuck away from my car then. Hey, don't slam my shit, you
Get
fucking...
over there!
Fuck your mother. All right, so they say that the car alerted to my car. So we're going to go ahead and let them do their illegal search. Hey, guys. So... All right.
Oh, you're so
So
brave.
alerted to my car, huh? You should be fucking ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Hey, Smith, what's your blame? Get over there, son. Hey, have him pick the cigarette out.
They already know his name.
No. I have my phone. It'll be in your car.
That's an idiot. Let me just go see if I can go start some shit now. Oh, What a fucking idiot. You're a fucking idiot, you homeless fucking robber, you thief.